What's going on, everyone? We're back at Asakusa Temple, and last time we went it was really rainy, so we came back on a good day and it was really well worth it because look over here. It's cherry blossoms. There's cherry blossoms all over this place. Right behind there. There. So today we're going to do some pictures and show you. So the current gear I'm using is my A7IV with the 24-70 GM2. Alright. So the cherry blossom, pagoda, between right there. It's a little bright, so I'm gonna bring down my exposure here. One thing about Japan is that it gets really bright really early, so you have to definitely bring a UV filter around. Let's do one more shot here. Absolutely gorgeous. Try to bring the cherry blossom back into view, so not too blurred out. I'm going to bring up my aperture. Here's another one. There's someone taking photos with their dogs. That's so funny. That is so funny. So right here we have the shrine, temple. Just try to remember which one. I know the difference. I just don't know which one this is. There's a person right in the middle. Let's wait for them to pass by. Let's go wide angle shot. Just a little bit. Clear up. Here. It's kind of competitive to take photos in Japan. Everyone's here at the cherry blossom. Go that spot. That's shot. A little bit lower. You see? Hold on. I realize my screen's not even flipped open. Let's go in a little closer. Oh, this smells so good. Okay. Over there. Nice and empty. So little crowd coming in. I'm gonna make these lanterns. So there's a rabbit right there. Right? Look at that. It's like right under the cherry blossom tree. Oh, this is good right now. Back here. Alright, that's a good one right there. Hold. Ooh, got that before person came in. Right, hold. She's not in the center. I don't be blocking in the center. Oh, can I get a shot here? I want to get, like, be right under here. You can come in closer. Come in closer. That's good. Back here. Wait, hold, pause. This lady comes in. That's a good one. The dog's just running. That's hilarious. We're definitely getting better photos than the other day. Happy about it. Over there. Dozo. Kawaii. Small incense here. Yeah, I guess they do some maintenance of some sort. Right, let's go back the way we came from. But this side. Here. Right there. Nice shot of this couple. I just really like this cherry blossom right here. Now there's people there right now. It's okay. Oh, there's koi fish. Oh my gosh. Oh, they're asking for food. Yeah, I didn't know there was koi fish. We didn't see them the other day. Oh, trying to reach in. Oh, gosh. Come here, fish. Oh, they're asking for food. I'm gonna fall in. Oh my gosh. I am gonna fall in here. Before head back to the hotel and do some street photography on the streets of Tokyo from where Asakusa is. There. These homes. Bikes are nice. About Tokyo, or Japan in general, are the side streets. Shot.
Alright, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed my stroll through Senso-ji Temple. If you like this format, let me know down below in the comments so I can make more videos like this. Hope to catch you in the next one.